How's it going today, guys? Castillo Trading coming to you with another nPOC and daily point of control update video. It is Wednesday, and as part of our weekly video series, guys, we like to go over nPOC levels, previous setups that we're looking at for the future, that sort of thing. Going into BTC, guys, we talked a little bit about this front run that happened, and it happened. Sometimes a lot of people will be wanting a sweep of this area, and it just didn't happen. And so that's fine for me because I'm long anyways. And so again, that inverse head and shoulders, and then that market maker model where we're considering the highs. And again, this still is going to be my setup. I am not going to overthink this. I'm going to be taking some profits into these nPOC prints based off of our next short area. That's where a potential hedge comes into play again. And I don't know if I will hedge, but I also think that 71808 is a pretty easy target if we can get up into this area. BTC saw a really good 8% to 9% move to the upside. And so again, guys, position yourself before the green days happen. You don't want to be chasing on 8% moves to the upside. You want to be buying when it's boring, buying on red days. Even if the low-term time frame is kind of shaking people out, which it definitely was, you still want to have conviction to your overall setup, which is what we did when it comes down to BTC, right? Giving yourself an area to dollar cost average is just the best thing, because even if you weren't perfect and you caught these lows, you still had the opportunity to catch, some 60K entries on BTC. And then, now we get to take profits into today. So the longs, the shorts still kind of stay the same for me, guys. This is going to be the next area of interest to short is that 67422, 66557. I don't know if I'll short it, but I'll definitely be taking profits off from lower. And then this is going to be my next area of interest to long is that 59262. nPOC prints happen every single day, right? So just based off of what we're looking at here, it looks like that the nPOC print might be around 64199. Again, this will fluctuate until the actual close, but this will be a nice little retest that we can get long if we do close and we do have an nPOC level lower. That's your next area of interest to look to be longing. So getting into Ethereum, guys, this is just a great reaction on Ethereum off of an nPOC print, and then we're obviously targeting a little bit higher. We're targeting 3071 and 3313. There's no new setups for me, guys. This has been the long that we've been wanting for 9 days, 10 days now. And again, this is going to still continue to be the short that we want, 3313. I will be taking profits into 3313. I might even continue to take some ETH profits at 3071 as well, just because they are nPOC prints to the upside that are good profit taking areas. For me, Ethereum is in the same exact situation as BTC. We're just in this current range. And again, same thing, market maker model, right? Highs, median ML, and then we got our lows here, looking for a median ML retest, and then looking for a highs retest as well. Again, patience is going to be key on all these. And if Ethereum gets to 4,000, heading into, I think we have an ETF announcement on Ethereum in 5 days, May 20th, then really this could rocket even higher, right? But again, I don't like to base anything off of fundamentals. I don't like to base anything off of news announcements, ETF announcements. All I know is that Ethereum has been sitting at lower limit of our current range since April 13th. So that's given us almost a month to consider at least longing some of these lows on Ethereum. You do not get bearish at lower limit. You do not short at lower limit. That is where you look for longs, and that is where you look to buy and have some ads in that area. So again, still just continuing to stay with that. I have no other game plans based on Ethereum. Again, we'll see where the nPOC print is, and maybe we get a print somewhere around that 2990, and you can look to get a retest there, and we can look to move a little bit higher. But for now, plans stay the same, guys. Still looking for higher on Ethereum, still looking for higher on BTC. I hope that this is benefiting your trading. I really appreciate you guys joining in, and yeah, I'll see you guys over in the Telegram. Peace.